everyone, I'm Lynne from the Sharon Forks Library, coming to you once again from my home kitchen. I hope everyone is doing well. Today I'm going to show you how to make cinnamon almonds, a sweet and salty snack. What I have here are almonds, brown sugar, cinnamon, egg whites, vanilla, and salt. You will need a large mixing bowl and a smaller mixing bowl, a couple of utensils, and a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. The very first thing we're going to do is we are going to mix our egg whites and our vanilla together. And make sure you get that mixed thoroughly. We're going to add all of our almonds to this mixture. And coat the almonds completely with that egg white mixture. Make sure all the almonds are covered with some of that mixture. Okay, now we're going to combine our dry ingredients. We're going to add in our sugar into our other mixing bowl. Our brown sugar. And we're going to mix those two sugars together. Get those chunks of brown sugar chopped up. And we're going to add in our cinnamon. And our salt. And make sure that is combined completely into a nice smooth mixture. Try to get as many of those big chunks of brown sugar broken up. Use your fork to stab at those. Okay, move this out of the way. And we are going to take this brown sugar and sugar mixture and we're going to pour it over our almonds. And once again, we're going to make sure that our almonds are thoroughly coated with that dry mixture. Get that all stirred up. Now, we are going to take our baking sheet, which is covered with a piece of parchment paper, and pour our almonds onto the parchment and smooth them out into a single layer. Every little bit out of there. I'm going to smooth that out into a single layer. we are ready to bake. We're going to bake these in a preheated 250-degree oven for 75 minutes. We're going to stir them every 15 minutes to make sure that they don't burn. And once they're thoroughly dried out, we will remove them from the oven and let them cool completely before eating. And then you are ready for a delicious snack for you and your family. These also make a great gift. You can fill a jar or a container with them, tie a pretty ribbon around it, and you have the perfect homemade gift for a friend or neighbor. Thank you for watching today. I hope you have a great day and stay safe.